Dito sa sa bintana daw nalabas si Kumari. Anong masasabi mo? Makikita mo na si Kumari for the first time. So tara, tingnan natin kung anong meron dito sa Dito daw lalabas si si Kumari.
But now you can get
Congratulations! Okay. Hi, hello. Dito, ang ganda! Oh, ang ganda! Ganda!
Welcome to
Nepal! Ito ang ating mga so, ganyan ang tsura dito. Ang dami talagang kalapati. Ayun, yung habo ng bata. Yung baby gab-gab. Ayan, ang dami. Ang ganda. Ayun. Pinapakain kasi ng babae.
Why do they always pick the... Actually, Nepal is when we feed them this life, they're gonna feed us next life.
Okay. So it's okay to feed the dove.
Parang sa kabilang buhay daw.
Sa kabilang buhay, pag pinakain mo daw siya, parang pinakain mo daw yung kabilang buhay mo. Tama ba? Let's go na. Dayan, nasan ka ba? Ito another door. May kausap siya. Ito. Is this a door?
This is the Lord.
Door of Buddha ba?
This is the one of the biggest and tallest temples.
This one tallest. Yeah, inside may tallest
Yes,
temple.
one of the biggest and tallest temples in this area. So this temple, which is called Taleju Bhavani. So Bhavani means goddess Kali.
Okay.
Goddess Kali with 18 arms.
18 arms.
9 heads.
Oh.
And big tongue. She looks very scary. She's the female
Yeah.
goddess. She's the female goddess. She's the goddess of destruction.
Destruction.
And nobody can destroy to her. In 2015, we had a big earthquake, and that time also this temple is nothing happened. And you can see there's a statue of king
King.
on the middle place, on
Yeah.
the top. So
Yeah.
that's the king, which is called Mahendra Malla.
Mahendra Mala.
Mahendra Malla. And this temple is open once a year, only for one day in the October.
Okay, that's why it's closed.
Yes, sir.
Month of October.
Every day, Pujari family, priest family, they
Uh-huh.
are visiting to clean the temples, to
Yeah.
worship to the goddess Kali. They go from other side also.
Okay.
But this is the main gate to open only in the festival time in October.
In October.
In
Okay.
October, we have a 10 days festivals. And 9-day festival, that's the day of Kali. On that day, they
Only one day
Yeah, only
open.
one day.
Then, ito daw, one day lang nag-open sa buong taon. October lang. Yan daw ang pinakamalaking temple daw dito. Kaya lang ginagawa pa siya, oh.
Back in 1800s, the royal families live here. They live here, they move from here from 1970. So before that, they use horse and elephant. And they like to move from here to different places. Little up, 25 minutes walking from here. That palace is King Palace
In Tamil.
in Tamil.
Last King Palace.
Yes.
Where is
Near-
that?
Near Garden of Dream.
Near Garden
Near
of Dreams.
Garden of Dreams.
It's not it's not inside the Durbar Square.
Not here.
Yeah, it's in Tamil.
It's near Dream of Garden, which is near Tamil.
Okay.
25 minutes walking. And this is the temple of Krishna.
Temple of Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So Krishna is god of music,
Music and arts.
music instrument.
Music instrument. Ay, Lloyd, para sa'yo.
The flutes,
Music instrument.
1,000 girls, they dance in front of it. So because he play nice flutes. So
Mm.
people like music and people can
Music.
dance. Even John Harrison.
He is a music.
Okay.
He likes to play the guitar.
Right.
He has a song
Yes.
called, you know,
Krishna.
Right. Music. Yes, sir.
because of Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Ang ganda. Tanghaling tapat na pala. Why there are many sculpture of the Tilne? Is that Krishna?
You can see on the down there lights. Lights
Yeah.
is making focus. That's the god dancing positions
Dancing.
because he's the god of music instrument.
Oh. Yan, mga dancing ano daw to na goddess.
Here we have English, French, German, Arabic, Nepali, Newari, Tibetan, Tamang, many different languages here.
Okay. So, iba ito, may mga iba't ibang language daw. Different languages.
Yeah, here these are
Ayan, no?
Sanskrit language,
Sanskrit language.
Mama King, they use to talk 14 different languages.
Is this a Nepalese language?
Yeah, there's a Nepali also, Sanskrit also, and there's
It's like a
Germany
Indian
also,
character.
Arabic type
Arabic?
also, Egypt also, many different. This side and that side all together.
Okay. Yeah, I see so many Sanskrit.
And you can see the flower carvings.
Flower carvings, yeah, I
the
see.
flower carvings and
This
that
one.
is stones. And here also you can see the flower carvings.
Yeah, mga carvings daw to ng mga sinaunang sulat.
Flower carvings.
Okay.
This temple which is built back in 15th century.
So old.
Which is called Jagannath.
Jagannath.
Jagannath is reincarnations of Krishna, and people are saying Kama Sutra temple also. We have a Kama Sutra here.
Kama Sutra. Erotic carvings.
Sex positions.
Ito daw yung mga erotic sculpture. Kama Sutra. Hindi, pupuntahan daw natin si Kumari. Mamaya, dadalhin niya tayo doon.
So this place which is called Hanuman means that registered.
Amang Kigad.
But it's under renovation.
Yes, this is the damage by the earthquake. This whole
Damage yung earthquake.
damage. They just reconstructions that one. So now they're gonna start this side with temples, and that's the Hanuman statue.
Hanuman
is monkey god.
Hanuman is Monkey God.
Monkey god, and he is the Brahman god. We call him god of bachelor. So that's why even we cover his eye with the red curtains, because he's not allowed to see the Kama Sutra.
Kama Sutra.
Cover his eye with the red
That's the reason why he covered his eyes. Kasi nga daw, kino-cover daw ng yung eyes nung nung Monkey God kasi nga nakatapat siya dito kay Kama Sutra. Para hindi daw niya makita tong Kama Sutra. Kaya nakapikit siya.
Bakit may military?
And you guys can see that this is the Hanuman Duka means the golden gates.
That's the
So they
golden
move
gate.
from here because of a small bird. And they move in last king palace, Narangiti palace. And that's the Gorkha soldiers.
Yeah, there's a soldier inside.
Black dress is Gorkha soldiers.
Balkan soldier.
Gorkha soldiers, which is called Guruju Poltons. Army
May mga army sa loob,
also have a
soldier.
guru. So that's why we call them Guruju Poltons. Polton means soldiers. Now Polton have a different dress. Coronation place.
Coronation place
Coronation
of
place.
the king?
Yeah, king. We make a king here. So after Kumari, after finish this, I'll drop you here and you go inside. Okay?
Can we go inside? Okay. So papasok daw tayo doon. Pero nakalagay no
Now
entry
it's time for Kumari.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Last Molo King.
In his time, Gorkha king, they were here. And
Or
24
different kingdoms.
different kingdoms. Before British, they come here. So British, they are in India. Their company name was East India Company.
Yeah.
Before they come here, Gorkha king, he attacked all the 24 different kingdoms and he united and he make a Nepal. So Nepal means, name means Guru and
Guru.
Pal means adopt.
Okay.
To adopt this country. So you guys
Adoption.
can see, you guys can see on this part.
It look like blood.
You guys can see the inside. There's a
Yeah.
big huge face.
Yeah. May, hindi nga lang makita dito sa camera. Huge big face daw. May malaking muka dito sa ating, sa likod nito. Ayun daw yung nasa loob.
Ba't natatago?
Why it's inside? Hidden. Why it's
Actually,
hidden?
This is open during the September festival time.
Okay.
September time we got a 1 week festivals. On that
So-
time they open all the windows.
Oh, okay.
And behind of this mass they put the big metal pot, and inside the metal pot they put 360 65-liter rice wine and rice beer. For rice beer, they call chai. Rice wine, they call roxy.
Aha.
And they call sake.
Oh, sake, yeah, sake. Sake wine. He likes wine.
Yes, those are the young boys. They coming in their group here,
Yeah.
and they drink from here.
Okay. You can
Yes,
drink here.
yes, they
Kapag
drink.
iinom ka daw ng wine,
Drink
pwede ka
from
daw
here,
dito.
And after that, they give a nickname for this mass. They start to say, God of alcohol.
God of alcohol. It's for you.
Nice windows. 3D type of mandala window. This is called
3D window.
3D type of mandala window.
Mandala window.
Opening system one. And outside of mandala.
It's open, right?
Yeah, opening system one. You can see the lizards. You can see the horse. Right.
Yeah, I see horses.
Garudas.
Garuda.
You can see the pigeons, crocodile, snakes, and you can see small
Yeah.
bell carvings also. Bell carvings. And this is the
Bell carvings. Ang ganda nung window na yun, no?
before our royal family.
Royal family.
They used to live here, and their time they used to see the festival of Kathmandu.
Oh.
Activities of Kathmandu they used to see from here.
Okay. So dito daw nakatira dati yung mga royal families. Punta na tayo kay Kumari.
Ito, mamaya tayo picture.
Where's Mandala?
Mandala is here.
Okay.
This is the mandala monastery.
Mandalas.
Monastery mandala. If you like to see,
Okay.
Peter is here. So can explain.
Mandala is
He can
what?
explain you.
Okay. I-explain daw niya kung what is Mandala. What is Mandala? Wow, may pa-ilaw pa tayo. Upo ka dito din para kasama ka.
So this is mandala.
Okay.
These are all hand painting on cotton.
It's a painting.
Hand painting on cotton.
Hand
Hand
painted.
painting on cotton canvas
Oh.
using a natural stones color,
Mhm.
and it's all yellow shining gold painting.
Gold painting. Yeah.
This is the top of the stupa.
Stufa.
Like this is the basement of the stupa. This is top part of the stupa, and this is
Stufa. Yeah.
symbol of good luck and device for meditation. And what we believe, this mandala should be half in heaven and half in earth.
Mhm.
So it's a very good thing to know. And only we can be at Nirvana.
Nirvana in
Yeah.
the center.
And if it's the bad things, then we have to go to the fireplace and
Fireplace. Yeah.
Fire.
Fire.
And this is here is the lotus flower.
Lotus flower.
The lotus flower is the Nirvana itself. And there are 4 gates. 1, 2, 3, 4
Yeah,
gates.
4.
This gate is for us.
For
human
kids.
beings to get into enlightenment. This to
Enlightenment.
get for different god and goddess, and this gate is for Lord Buddha to get into enlightenment.
Oh, yeah.
It's a top of stupa, a symbol of good luck and
Good
device
luck.
for meditation.
Meditation. Yes. Wow.
This is
Thank you for the explanation.
Yes. If you like
It's
the very
wonderful.
very best price at the morning time.
Okay.
Where do you come from?
From the Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah. You just want to see what's
What is
mandala is. So mandala means inside of the stupa. Top view of stupa.
Symbol of good
Yeah.
luck.
And where we can find Nirvana at the center.
At the center.
Yeah. So yun pala yun. Okay, thank you so much for the explanation. Nice
We have
meeting
some
you.
Philippines money.
You have?
Do you collect?
Yeah, I call it.
You have. You
No, you give me some.
may ano ka ba dyan? May dala ka?
I
Collection.
have.
Ayan. May collection siya. Bigyan mo.
Yeah, nga, you bring Philippine money, ano Lloyd?
Yeah, I have. Do you want?
Bigyan mo na lang 20.
Wala yata akong ganun.
Magkano? 1,000?
Ayun na yung pag-explain niya. Gusto lang niya mga collection
How
ng
much is the
Philippine money.
mandala? Do you have cheaper?
Cheaper mandala I have. This is known as a Kala Chakra mandala.
This is also a
This
mandala.
is also mandala.
Yeah.
But this is the design by Dalai Lama for world peace.
World peace. Dalai Lama.
Dalai Lama designed it for world
Mhm,
peace.
Yeah. Dalai Lama is Buddha or no?
Reincarnation.
Reincarnation. Dalai Lama is
So
reincarnation.
this is the top of the stupa in this way. Like this is
Yeah.
the basement. This is the top part. This is the best.
This is inside the stufa.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Okay.
Amazing.
And according to Dalai Lama.
Ah, okay. This is the section of the stufa.
Yeah.
I see which one? This one.
Mm-hmm.
This is the first part. The view from the top.
From top.
Yeah. Ganyan yung kapag yung section nitong
This
ng
is the
mandala.
4 elements
Four elements of
human body and world.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Air, fire, water,
earth.
and earth.
Fire, water, air, and earth. 4 elements.
Four elements. Wow.
If it
Parang Encantadia lang ha.
this is designed by Dalai Lama this way in a very big ground with the different monks and
They are the they made this
yeah. So this is Dalai Lama.
Dalai Lama.
Yeah. He is designing. The monks they are helping him. Here he is teaching students.
Wow.
And where all the monks in different countries they
yeah.
gather together. And after they
They finished.
destroyed.
Ah.
They destroyed.
Why did
So,
they destroy?
They made of sand, they destroyed.
Okay.
It means our life is not permanent.
Oh.
Whenever we come to this life, we have to die one day. We have to leave this world.
Sayang naman.
And after that, they gather all the
Sinira lang nila
This is
yung
the
mandala. They destroyed the mandala after
Yeah.
after they created it.
Like this. This is $20 only. Also mandala.
Mandala.
How much is this in Nepali?
2,500 Nepal rupees.
Okay.
Made by monks.
Made by monks. All hand painting on cotton. And is all yellow
Sa
silver
lotus.
gold.
Gold.
So yeah, so it never changes the
It's a
colors.
real gold.
Real gold.
Wow.
So it never changes the colors. But
So it's
we have-
18 karat gold.
Yeah. 16 karat.
16 karat. It's real gold, made of real gold. Wow.
So it will never change the colors. But we have to protect it from water and the sunlight.
Wow. Amazing.
Or
Bigyan mo na ng 20.
Be, 100 lang bariya niya.
Eh di okay na yung 100.
thank you so much. But
You have a Philippine money?
yeah, we have.
You don't like it, sir?
Do you have a more cheaper?
Most people want to get like this. I can give you for 2,000 rupees. This is the mantra. written
Mantra, yeah.
Om Mane Padme Hum. And it means God give me healthy life.
Healthy life.
Yeah, this is my suit.
Yeah. It's a lotus. Wow.
Energy.
May gold do kapag inatinap mo sa
Bigyan
araw.
mo na niya para sabay kumain.
Ay, ang ganda. This
We'll
one,
think about it.
Gold.
But we can give you this one as a remembrance.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We love your.
What's your
art.
name?
We love explanation.
Ram. Nice meeting you, Ram.
Thank you, Ram.
Thank you, Ram.
Thank you.
What's your name daw?
Paul.
Love?
This I can give you 1,500 rupees. $10. Less than $10. 1,500 rupees.
Maybe when we come.
We'll come back.
Yeah.
and think
We
about
can
it.
Later.
roll it up like this.
Mm.
Yeah. And we have a tube. We can roll it. We can put inside of this tube for protection.
For your protection daw.
So nobody
Para
can
hindi
get
daw
it.
magusot pag nag-travel ka.
But we'll think about it. We'll be back here if we.
Okay.
If we decided.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ram. Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much.
Ito, ang dami pang mandala dito.
Thank you, sir.
Ito, big mandala. Oh. Wow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ang cute. Okay na yun. Ang importante, nag-explain siya. Hindi naman sila mapilit. Hindi sila mapilit na kailangan mong required bumili or nung mga items nila. Nag-explain lang siya. O, sapat na sa kanila yung binigyan natin ng ng Philippine money. Mountain design. This white structure.
And this is the second, the third tallest temples in this area.
Okay.
So this whole
The tallest temple is the
tallest
close
is
one.
last one, and
Uh-huh.
the second one is just here. This is the third one. So
This is that second or the third?
third one.
Third tallest structure here in Durbar Square.
West Wall. So this whole temple was collapsed. They just rebuilt it.
This is also collapsed.
This one,
Oh.
this one, and that one.
Oh
That
my
one,
God.
Until now, there's
Yeah,
no
it's
start.
empty.
There's no start.
So they did not reconstruct that destroyed temple. That one.
That one maybe they start after a few years.
After few years pa. So
Living goddess.
yeah, the living goddess.
And that's the golden chariots.
Golden
Chariots.
chariots.
She go round up Kathmandu during the festival time. and that chariot.
Chariots. They open it during festival times.
So now we are going inside the house of living
Okay. Wow, excited na
You can
kami.
make a photo.
Can
We
you
are
take a
not.
photo?
No. You cannot. You can take the pictures only for buildings. Yeah. Only for buildings inside. You can make a video not a garden.
Okay. So pupuntahan natin yung ano, kaya lang bawal daw mag-picture. This is a goddess. So ganito yung itsura nito. May goddess. So papasok tayo dito. Watch your heads at may maliit yung pinto. Ang daming tao ngayon.
Come guys.
Dayan. Pupunta na tayo kay Kumari. Kaming ano,
Come here. Come down.
calm down.
Down.
Okay.
So we need to stand.
Okay.
It's coming there. Stand this side.
Mhm.
This is nice spots. Stand on this side.
Stand this way. Ito na yung temple ni Kumari.
Stand on this side. Okay. So now you can make a pictures of buildings. You can make a video of buildings. This is appearing in the window. So that time we have not allowed
Okay.
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 No video.
No video.
Photo. Living garden. You can
Okay.
make a video.
Okay.
Time to see the living garden.
Okay.
Morning, 3 time from 11 to 12. Shall I? Shall I? Shall I? Shall I? Shall I? Stand this side.
Stand this side lang. Dito lang daw
Right this
pumesto.
Right this way.
Ayun.
Where is she coming now?
She's coming on the middle windows.
Dito daw lalabas si si Kumari.
But now you can make a video, pictures after now.
Kasi
Oh my God. Oh, nagkaroon na siya ng tae.
ano yan?
Tayo na yun.
Ang dami kasi kalapati dito. Hindi, kanina pa yan. Ito, dyan daw si Philip, si Kumari.
Pagkakita natin si Mama Lita nagsasampay.
Anong ginagawa niya? May tao doon, no?
Ako nga, di pili ko
Dito sa sa bintana daw nalabas si Kumari. Kaya lang bawal lang mag-video. So ngayon, ano lang tayo dito? Parang pwede mag-picture dito lang sa labas habang hindi pa nalabas si Living Goddess. Anong masasabi mo? Makikita mo na si Kumari for the first time. Ano nakikita mo, Lloyd? Kumai? Tumai? Ayan ang tumai ni Kumari. So, wait na lang tayo. Bihira lang magpakita si Kumari. So, ang swerte nyo makikita nyo siya for the first time. So, close na daw yung mga mobile, cellphone, camera.
A few moments later.
Yung person yung nag-aalaga kay
Our
Kumari.
family is not living here. Our family, they come 1 month, 1 time to see their daughter.
How old is Kumari?
Now it's 3
3 years old.
Three.
Okay.
They choose the Kumari.
So kakatapos lang naming makita si Kumari. Bali, bawal kasi mag-picture dun sa loob dahil bawal makita si Kumari. So ang mga makakita lang sa kanya sa personal, yung mga nagpupunta dito. So papakita na lang namin dito sa inyo yung itsura ni Kumari. Ayan, eto. Kita mo? Ayan si Kumari.
Yes, she needs to have a breath like 9 hearts. Inside the dark room.
Is
they
that
have a-
Kumari on the
That's the Shiva and Parvati.
okay. Shiva and Parvati.
Here we have a 1 and Patan 2, and Bhaktapur, Nuapur.
Sa Bhaktapur also.
There's a lot of Kumari
Okay.
here, and then in Patan.
Especially Kumari from here. It's a start system was start from this city.
All Kumari are young female
All Kumari are young.
or
Yeah,
female.
mostly
Yes.
young and old. Now old also. We have some Kumari like 7-8 years.
7 and 8 years old.
But this is the one of the young first time.
Youngest Kumari.
Youngest Kumari.
Okay. Si Kumari, Si Kumari hanggang ano lang, hanggang bata lang siya, pwedeng maging living goddess. Pero ang sarap ng maging experience na naging
Tapos, after
living goddess ka
after
in
ng
your
first-
whole life.
After daw, ano ka na, living normal life.
Mm.
After first period, tama ba ito?
So paano kung hindi ka pineriod, no? Many positions of Kama Sutra.
Yeah, Kama Sutra position.
Ano daw yan?
24 different positions.
Oo.
Position na.
Many different positions. Kama Sutra.
Kama Sutra.
People are
Wood carvings. Kaya nakapikit si Monkey eh. Kasi nakikita niya
So
si...
now you guys can visit to the inside the
Okay,
palace.
can we
Okay?
go inside?
Yes.
Yeah.
So thank you so much
Okay, so...
giving me work morning
Mhm.
time. So you guys are learning now so many things.
Yeah.
So Kumari. Many people they come to here to see the specific Kumari.
Uh-huh.
So thank you so much.
So you will not bring us
No.
inside. So, but we can
Because,
go inside.
I say 1 hour. but
Yeah, it's
I
too
give-
much.
I give already
Yeah.
1 hour 10 minutes. You know. If
Okay.
you want to add time, I'll give you time.
Okay, we can go inside na lang na... Ano? Okay.
Thank you for giving me work.
It's
How
We're also happy that
Yes.
you teach us
so many things.
so many things about this.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you again.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Wala, hindi tayo magpapapicture, be?
Yes. Yes. Whole day. Whole day.
Come
Is
here.
it safe to walk here?
Ah, yes, no problem. Nepal is a Hindu.
Yung ID mo.
Kailangan pa daw kasi ng ticket dito. Okay, museum entrance. Thank you so much. Papakita yung ticket dito sa pagpasok. Yung ticket. Okay. Thank you. So, pasok na tayo dito sa door. Ano meron dito? Durbar Square? Wow! Parang kaunti ang tao. Parang tahimik lang siya dito. Ang lawak niya. May mga nag-exam. Ayan no. May mga nag-exam dito. Dito kayo mag-picture-picture. Museum kasi to, di ba? At least ano na yan, yun na yung bayad sa museum, yung entrance natin. Ang cute naman na itong temple na to, pabilog naman yung tuktok niya, yung pagoda. Tapos ito, halika, puntahan natin to. Ang cute, ang liit ng pinto. Pinto ba to? Akala ko pinto. Ano lang din pala siya, para din siya, parang may mga santo sa loob. Tapos nandito yung salamin. Ayan. Ayan, kita natin ang sarili natin. Ay, ang ganda yan, Dayan. Kunyari babasa ka ng mapa. Alam mo ba kung nasan tayo ngayon? Nandito tayo sa Nasal Chowk. Bali, itong Nasal Chowk, ito ay yung ginaganapan ng mga coronation ng ating mga king and queen, mga royal family dito sa loob ng Durbar Square. So tara, tingnan natin to anong meron dito sa Nasal Chowk.
Fresh ka dito, be.
ba nun?
1, 2, 3, go. Naka dito.
Ako may naisip ako kay Ajan. Maganda na dito.
Hindi ko alam. Sila ba? Hindi. Ano naman yun eh. Hindi naman yan si ano. Tanong mo kung pwede mag-picture sa princess. O hindi. Ano lang sila. Tourist lang sila. Na naka-outfit lang ng ano. Ng princess. Hello. Yeah. Is that are you the princess of Durbar? Ah, outfit. Can rent here. Yeah. Where are you from? From the Philippines. You're a Nepal. You're working here. We already finished the guy. They bring us here. Then they 3K. 3,000. For 3 of us for 1 hour. Nice. Okay, thank you so much. From the Philippines, so I'm from the Philippines. So, tourist. You're also tourist here. Tourist. Tourist.
Yeah.
Oh, you have a nice outfit.
You can also wear from there.
200? Wow, not bad.
Are you couple married? Yeah. Newly married. Congratulations.
I think you need to
You need to wear this
rent,
dress
so
also.
you have a
Looking
good
very good.
photo.
Would you like us to take you some
Ayan.
photos?
They are photographers.
Yeah,
Is
they're
it
photographer
okay?
from the Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah, I
To
will
just
take your picture.
10 minutes only.
Ano lang, few
Yeah, dyan po.
Then look at each other.
Kaya yung picture ko. Kaya pa. They are from India. Hello. Hi. Nice meeting you. Sila ng dalawa naman i-ano mo, i-photoshoot. Center.
Or newlywed.
You already have baby. Ah, okay, newlywed.
Few months ago.
January 25th of this is our honeymoon.
Ah, yung honeymoon. Wow, congratulations. Ah, okay. Yeah, Instagram. Okay.
Instagram.
Put your Instagram account. Yan. Photoshoot. At the center.
Normal face, no smile.
Naging photographer sila dito. Okay. Yeah. Get your IG. Instagram.
She's Diane.
Yan. Dayan Photography.
Yeah, we went there.
You ready?
Me, I don't have, I'm not
He's a
photographer.
YouTuber.
On the YouTube.
You too.
Yeah. Kung ano, binayad mong 1,000. Ang ganda rin dito. Ah, okay. Hindi, kapag hiram ka ng damit, ayun na, inuhubad na nila yung outfit nila. Ibig sabihin, ilang minuto lang nila yung sinuot na. Wow! Ang dami pala dito. Ang ganda din dito. Oh. Oh, dito tayo sa anong pangalan ito? Lohan Chong. Ah, iba naman to. Iba pa na namang Chong. Parang siguro yung ano to, square na ganapan ng mga activities nila. At dito tayo sa Lohan Chong. Ayan, Lohan Chong. Ano kaya meron sa gitna? Bakit may ganito? Basahin natin. Ah, nakalagay dito kung anong pangalan nito. Lohan Chong. Ibig sabihin is Stone Chong. Ibig sabihin ng Chong is courtyard. Para siyang, ano, covered court. Eh, hindi naman siya open court. Ang ganda, oh. Ito, exhibit. Para siyang mga, ano siya, mga sculpture, mga bato-bato. Siguro mga galing po sa mga artifacts. Sa mga old structure nila. Ayan, ganda. Baka mga nakalagay yata ito sa mga temple. Ito yung, nakalagay dito. Oh. Terracotta Ark of Shiva Temple. Meron dito. Para siyang park. Parang nire-renovate siya. Ang lalim. Oh. Nagpokari. Para siyang swimming pool. Paano kapag napuno ito ng tubig, no? Majalim. Ito parang... ito na siya! May nakagusto ng dress mo.
Is it
I
not
think it's
weird?
weird.
Wear that dress.
Next time.
Yeah.
Next time, go somewhere else.
Where were you went? Coming here.
We will be in...
We'll go back to the hotel first.
Yeah, Buddhist. Tomorrow. Later.
When you reached here, Kathmandu?
We just arrived yesterday night.
Yesterday night.
Yeah.
Okay. Today you can cover Buddhist Stupa and then Pashupati Temple.
The Croatian.
Cremation Temple. Yeah.
Go there tomorrow, huh?
Today.
Then tomorrow
Early
early morning you can go to
morning.
Cable car.
Changdediri. Changdediri. Yeah, hills.
Morning will be
Then on 14th, we will go to...
We are headed to Pokhara.
Pokhara. It's too far. Yeah.
You can take
A bus?
from here.
Yeah.
It's only 20 minutes. Flight from Kathmandu.
So you will go to Pokhara by plane.
Flight also you can take.
Yeah.
Or else we have tourist bus.
Yeah. But it's around 10 hours.
10 hours.
Yeah.
Almost 10
And
hours.
also the road is very dangerous.
It is not good way. Then also we can go by overnight only.
Or you just meet here.
You met here. We met here.
Wow, nice. He's from what part of India? You're from UP.
UP, yeah.
UP Diliman.
Yeah, nearby that place.
By
You know the Taj Mahal?
Taj Mahal near Agra.
It's in UP.
Okay. Nice.
Where you guys from?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you guys.
Okay, good luck. Enjoy your day, your tour.
Thank you so much.
See you again. See you around.
You're around.
Thank you. Ito yung parang ano yun nila. Marami ditong militar. Ang ganda ng bintana. Oh. Kita dito yung temple. Oh. Ayun, Nasal Chowk. Ayun, yung mga Naag Pokhari. Yan. Ito yung mapa. Sila yung mga athlete dito sa Nepal. Galing ba tayo dito kanina, di ba? Hindi. Likod ba to? Hello. What is your sport? Your athlete? What is your sport?
Cricket.
Cricket. Wow. Nice. Cricket daw. Cricket. Oo. Ayan o. Nepal athletes. Doon parang may mga street market ng mga kung anik-anik. So, punta tayo sa museum. Ito yung gilid. Ayan, sige. Sige, upo lang Lloyd para makapicture ka dyan. Exit na tayo. Ito ang exit. So, ano itsura dito? Ayan. Kaya mga pinipicturean nila dito. Ayan. Robbers Queen. Balikan na lang dito bukas. Oh, parang museum to. Kung gusto mo malaman yung ano, ikaw lang mag-isa ang ano dyan, audience, impact. Ito ang itsura dito sa taas ng Durbar Square. So makita natin dito yung view mula sa baba. Hello, say hi! Hello! Okay, ni hao. Ni hao daw. Nilagyan sila yung ano. Ay, sila naman. Ni hao. Cute.
Another one.
Camera.
Okay.
Hello. Lobat ako. Lobat ako. Hello.